I got RGB ambient lighting for the F80, and I'm gonna go ahead and power it up. Woo! Oh yeah. YouTube, what's going on, y'all? Z Blush coming at y'all with another video. So today, I kind of wanted to show y'all something that I did to the M3, and unfortunately, I did not record a single bit of it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I kind of want to just get it done because I got the kit on Alibaba and I was like, man, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I really didn't know how to even wire the kit up. It came with no instructions. Everything that was like printed on the modules, they were all in Chinese. So I couldn't even understand anything that it was saying. I tried to do like a thing where you could take a picture of it and it tells you, but that shit still didn't work. So I feel like all the F80 should have came like this from stock. Like all the new BMWs, like all the G series BMWs, they all come with like color changing ambient lighting from factory. So I think this is like a touch that I really needed on the M3 on the interior, because I don't really have much going on the interior besides some dirty Silverstone leather. I think the freaking battery just died. I think we might be good. I think these lights are still on. We'll see in a second. So basically, like, moral of the story with the ambient light kit and the install, once I figured out what to do and where to put what and what to splice into what wire and how to do this and that, once I did the driver door, I was good. Like after that, it was fine. Like I did all the other like it probably took me a total, like after I figured out the driver door, like maybe, I don't know, I'd say maybe an hour and a half to finish the other 3 doors. Like it's honestly not that bad. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on real quick. Go ahead, flip this around. See if, oh yeah. Let me go ahead and close the door for y'all. And if y'all can see, like, it is seamless. You cannot tell that these lights are up here. For Alibaba, for like, honestly, this is $40. I think this is $40 with shipping. This is probably as close to OEM for an F series, which is not supposed to have ambient lighting like this. I think this is as close to OEM as you can get. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna try to explain this as best as I can right now. So when you do the install, do not let your friend do it and mess up the little rubber on the inside of your door handle. Number 1, do not let this happen. Number 1 rule, do not let that happen. Just let them be here for moral support. Don't let them do nothing. On this little piece on the door card, when you take the door off, all that, there's gonna be a little fiber optic little strip right here. This is what's in their OEM. This is what lights up the factory and the classic colors, the white and the like amber color, I guess it is. So when we did the install, we just took that out, and it kind of relieved enough pressure off of this piece right here for us to shove, I don't know if you can see it, the LED strip is like up underneath of this. It's not sitting where the fiber optic strip was sitting. It's sitting like in between the leather and this plastic piece right here itself. So if you guys want the link to the ambient lighting kit, I'm gonna put it in the link. I'm gonna put it in the description. What the fuck am I talking about? I'm gonna put it in the description of this video. So if you want it, you can go get it. My boy Justin has an F80 and he ordered the same kit that I got because he kind of helped me install the kit. When the kit comes, we're going to install it on his car, and I'm going to take a whole video since now I know what I'm doing. And if you think, oh, I don't want to splice into my car's what, like, yo, I was thinking the same thing. I'm like, yo, I don't really feel comfortable. This car, I'm not really trying to, it's already fucked up. I'm not trying to fuck it up anymore. It's already fucked up. It already don't work. And now, Why does this thing not work? As far as I can understand with these cars, I'm pretty sure that so what pops up on your dash is going to be a Valvetronic servo motor malfunction fault. I'm not sure what it is. If I can find it, I'll pop the code up on the screen. So I got that fault, and the first thing I do always, I just go to the forums and I look and see what other people are saying about it. I type in the exact code on the forums, and 9 times out of 10 it's going to pop right up. So that's going to give you most of the answers you're looking for right there. As far as I can see, this is kind of a common problem, kind of stemming from the N55 onto the S55. It's just kind of one of those things like a crank hub. It's just, if it goes bad, it goes bad. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I can't tell you need to do it, because it doesn't happen to everybody's car. You know what I'm saying? It might happen to some people, it might not. Like a crank hub, I spun my crank hub and I had to get my head rebuilt. You know what I'm saying? The valves bent, all that good stuff. It happens. But the car needs to get tore apart. I'm kind of wanting to wait until the weather warms up, because right now it is freezing in this garage. I do not have a heater or anything in here. This is a huge garage and no heat in here. It's all concrete floors. Like it's cold. It's brick in here. So I'm cool with keeping the car in here for now, but it's starting to get warm outside. And when I'm not riding the bike, I'm gonna want to be driving this. So I'm thinking this week I'm going to start taking it apart. I might do some stuff maybe tonight, just like take the carbon fiber brace off, maybe get the charge pipes off. I kind of want to repaint my front mount intakes, because right now they're orange and I have orange calipers as well, but I'm kind of wanting to change the color to maybe white. I'm not sure. I mean, tell me what you guys think. I'm not really sure. I'm kind of wanting to stick with the orange just because I haven't seen another Tanzanite blue F80 with like orange like calipers or front mounts. So I kind of think it's unique, but the white just, I feel like it would just go good. I already got the white interior, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I kind of want to switch up the wheels too, so it's all a process. We'll just see how things go, and we'll get to it. But you too, man, y'all stay tuned. It's getting cold out here. My ears is cold, and I've been working all day. I just got off work. It's already 5, 6 o'clock already. I don't even know what time it is. But I'm going to go take a shower, close up shop, and I'm going to either see you guys in a different clip tomorrow or the next day, or this is going to be the end of the video. So see y'all then.